Here's something to think about. UFOs and aliens. Are they real? Okay. When I was in high school, and even through my 20s, I'm 47 years old now, I was 100% positive that UFOs that people have claimed to have seen from planet Earth and aliens were 100% real. At age 47, I am 100% positive that there is a great chance that there is life on other planets and there are aliens somewhere out there. And I still that's 100% possible. However, regarding the UFO sightings and the alien sightings throughout the world over the last several decades, I don't think they had to do with life from other planets, unfortunately. I would love it to be real. I would love any UFO sightings to be signs of life from other planets. But as I've gotten older, I don't think that's what these sightings are. And I'll tell you why. If other life was able to get to the planet Earth from, a bazillion miles away, many, many light years away, places that humans haven't been able to travel to, why would they come to the planet Earth and just make some interesting thing in the sky and disappear? Why would they just kind of show some weird light to Air Force pilots or people on the ground and then just zip off? What would be the point? You've come from so far away. Why wouldn't you actually try to land on planet Earth and see what it's all about and try to communicate with the beings that live here? So I've come to the conclusion that I don't believe any of the UFO sightings over the last several decades are beings from other planets. I would love that to be the truth, but I don't think it is, because it doesn't make sense. Again, why would somebody come from light years and light years away and discover our planet just to create some odd thing in the sky and speed off? Or just hover and then leave? Doesn't make any sense. That being said, when I was in elementary school and middle school and maybe even in high school, we were only taught about the Milky Way, our universe, planet Earth's, galaxy. Since then, we've realized there are endless galaxies. There are endless planets. I mean, there are so many planets out there, we can't even count them. With that in mind, I think it's certainly a possibility that there is other forms of life on other planets that we can't see, that we can't travel to. And there's got to be life on other planets that we can't reach or see. But again, as far as aliens or UFOs coming to our planet, Earth, I don't think any of those sightings were beings from other planets. I wish they were, but I don't believe it. Because I can't imagine how you'd come from so far away and just make some nuisance in the sky and then fly off. That's my opinion. I can't explain the things that people have seen in the sky, but I don't think, in my personal educated opinion, that they're the result of life from other planets. What do all of you guys think? I'm dying to know. As always, I've got questions. Hopefully you have answers.